Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue the card flipping game. Okay, so let's see what we did last time. Lesson 55, card flipping game 2. So we made the grid of cards in which we can move the face-up card by the arrow keys, right? So let's see. Let's see how we made it last time. So let's run it. So the numbers are randomized, and every time you hit the arrow key, the face-up position moves accordingly. Okay, and the number on the face-up card is displayed both on the card position and below the grid. Okay, so fine. Maybe we can move the place the position of the number a little bit, maybe by, let's see, if we move it 9, it will be a little better. Okay, let's see. So what was the assignment? Okay, homework. Add your original idea. Yeah, I hope you did something original. Your original. For example, different color for even numbers and for odd numbers. So for here, let's see. So here we always use the 1 for the color of the face-up card. So let's use it. Let's change it accordingly. For that, we can use the maybe a new one. So we can change the color according to the V value, right? So color equals, for example, okay, dark blue if V is even. Otherwise, no, maybe vice versa. Purple if it is even, and dark blue it is what do you call it? Indigo if it's odd. How about this? Okay, let's try this. Okay, so purple. Oh, it's not changing at all. Why? It's strange. So why? Indigo color. No, text. I see. This is wrong. So this should be color. Okay, rectangle should be colored differently. And it should be 6 all the time, for example. Okay, let's try this. Okay, even. Okay, odd, even, odd. Maybe fine. Okay, this is some new thing. Maybe this is wrong. So this should be dark color. Like what? Like 5. And yeah, okay, let's check that. Okay, this is not a big deal. Okay, that's color 11, color 5. Okay, good. Okay, so let's move on to today's work. So today, instead of flipping the card by arrow keys, we try to flip a card with a mouse click. Do you think you can do it? I think you can do it. You remember how to check the mouse click and also the position of the mouse click? If you think you can try, you stop the video and try it yourself. Okay, calculate the position from the clicked position. And the new thing is that we will use this kind of thing. Okay. Okay. Let us try. So here, let's see. Let's save it as 56. Okay. So save as 56, E56. Okay. Flip card. Was it 3? Okay. Let's see. So maybe you remember that you can check the mouse position. So the thing is pixel dot button P pixel dot mouse button left. Okay, if the left key of the mouse is clicked, then as we did, maybe we first take the mouse position, maybe MX and MY as pixel dot mouse underscore X, pixel dot mouse underscore Y. I don't know why this is tilde instead of. Okay, so we put X and Y to MX and MY. And then, as I showed you in the slide, calculate the upper left position of the card like this. So maybe self px equals, as I wrote, mx minus bb integer divided by ss. Likewise, self py equals mouse y minus bb ss. I think this works. Okay, good. I think this is good. Okay, let's check this. Okay. In the meantime, let's comment out the arrow key part. Okay. This is wrong. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now this part is commented out. Let's run it. Okay, so here, if we click here, good. The face-up card moves. Okay, this is very good. You will learn how to pose this. Okay, if you click the same position, no change. Okay, as you can imagine, bad news is that you can click here. Haha, right. So we have to take care of that later. Okay, print the face-up card accordingly. There is nowhere to change. Okay, because we use the same number, px and py, as this one. There is no need to change this. Okay, ignore unless the grid area is clicked. So now the problem is that if you clicked, for example, here, it dies. It's killed. This is fine. But this is strange. And this will die. Okay. So do you think you can fix this? Please do so. Okay. Easy way is here. You can use if mx is less than bb, or mx is ss times nn plus bb larger than this one, or likewise my is smaller than bb, or it says times, and then plus BB is larger than my is larger than this. Okay, maybe we ignore some spaces so it will fit. Okay, I think this is good enough. Let's run it. Something is wrong. Okay. If what's wrong? I made colon here. I see. Okay. So, I see. Okay. In this case, we should ignore this. Okay. We should ignore this. So maybe, as this is the last part of update, maybe we can just return. This is one way. Or other way is, if this is not correct, return this, but this is fine now. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so it works fine for these. Okay, click and click. Good. Nothing happens. Click here, nothing happens. Click, click, click. Good. Click and click. Oh, it doesn't die. Very good. So this is good enough. So please learn the how we can use this. Maybe you can now delete this all together. Okay, what's next? Okay, this is all. Actually, this was very easy. So the homework: record and write the number of clicks made. Okay, so maybe just how many rounds. So this will be the first click, click 1, click 2, click 3, click 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Okay, and maybe you can write here click number, so that you can later try to reduce the compete for the game to complete with the minimum number of clicks. Okay, so that's all for today. Be sure to come back next time and learn about the code you did today, or you change it yourself and see how the behavior will be changed. Okay, see you later next time. Bye bye.